Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Mr. Ikram Sehgal, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a great pleasure to be here today. Ikram Bhai, on behalf of my family, I would like to sincerely thank you for dedicating this remarkable book to us. Your narration of the events surrounding my family's gallantry actions, achievements, sacrifices for our motherland is both thoughtful and deeply moving. It is a tribute that humbles us, and we are truly grateful for this honor. Ladies and gentlemen, national security is a complex subject, particularly in the context of Pakistan. For us, it has always been about sovereignty, sacrifice, and survival. During my tenure, we found that a whole-of-nation approach backed by the government proved instrumental in neutralizing multiple threats and turning the tide of terrorism. I had the privilege of commanding brave men and serving alongside an exceptional team, and above all, Almighty Allah was immensely kind to us. Based on that experience, I can say with confidence that Mr. Sehgal's book addresses the modern paradigm of national security in an insightful and commendable manner. He rightly argues that security can no longer be viewed solely through the lens of territorial defense. Today, it also encompasses economic resilience, cyber security, institutional strength, and national cohesion. What distinguishes this book is its practical perspective. It combines thoughtful analysis with battle-tested experience and offers meaningful recommendations for addressing the hybrid threats of our time. I have no doubt that it will become an important reference for the students of national security. Ladies and gentlemen, if I may, I would now like to share a few personal reflections. My association with Ikram Bhai goes back to my school days. In fact, I have brought a photograph that captures my earliest memories of him. I vividly remember his Council 315, his smart appearance, and his warm, approachable personality. I had the privilege of accompanying him and my brothers on many drives through Gulberg, Mall Road, and the Services Club. As young boys, we looked up to personalities such as Shabir Sharif, Nadir Parvez, Ikram Sehgal, Farooq Nawaz Janjua, and many others. They inspired us not only through their military service, but also through their achievements in sports, education, and social events. I consider myself truly fortunate to have grown up in the company of such remarkable individuals. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to briefly reflect on Ikram Bhai's extraordinary achievements. He was a distinguished aviator who flew some of the most challenging missions in Pakistan's northern areas and earned recognition as one of the finest pilots of his generation. His services during the surveying of Karakoram Highway were especially appreciated by our Chinese friends. His memoir, Escape from Oblivion, is a compelling account of courage, resilience, and determination, recounting his remarkable escape from Indian captivity. It is truly a book worth reading. His services in the army, particularly with his own battalion, are well recognized. Few army officers receive the rare honor of having an infantry company named after them. Sehgal Company remains a lasting tribute that will continue to inspire generations in the Sarmast Battalion of the Sindh Regiment. Beyond his military career, Ikram Bhai has made invaluable contributions as a defense analyst. Through both print and electronic media, his thoughtful analysis has earned him widespread respect not only in Pakistan but internationally as well. His views carry credibility and have consistently enriched the national discourse. Another remarkable chapter of his life has been his long-standing association with the World Economic Forum at Davos. Since 1992, he has represented Pakistan with distinction and has hosted the now well-known Pakistan Breakfast, bringing together presidents, prime ministers, business leaders, and distinguished international personalities. His unwavering commitment reflects both his patriotism and his enduring love for Pakistan. In 2017, following the completion of one of our most significant counter-terrorism operations, Zarb-e-Azb, Ikram Bhai enabled me to address and participate in various forums at Davos to share Pakistan's monumental success. Wherever I went, people spoke of him with admiration and respect. Ikram Bhai, you have indeed made us proud. Ladies and gentlemen, his success as a businessman is well known. What many people may not know is that he built it all through sheer hard work, dedication, and perseverance. He is a visionary, focused, decisive, and disciplined. Yet perhaps his greatest quality is his character and compassion. He is a true gentleman who genuinely cares for those around him. He personally looks after his colleagues and takes a sincere interest in the welfare of those who work with him. It is this humility and love that has earned him such deep respect and affection. Tomorrow is Ikram Bhai's 80th birthday. Happy birthday, Bhai. May you have many more returns of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, no tribute to Ikram Bhai would be complete without acknowledging Mrs. Ikram Sehgal. Throughout this remarkable journey, she has been a constant source of strength, wisdom, and unwavering support. She is a lady of exceptional grace, dignity, and kindness. Their son, Zarar, is a refined and promising young man who is steadily carrying forward his father's legacy. I am confident that he will continue to uphold the distinguished traditions and values of his family. Ikram Bhai, my prayers and best wishes will always remain with you and your family. Once again, thank you for this great honor that you have given to the Sharif family. Ladies and gentlemen, may God Almighty bless you all with continued success and help you in your endeavors. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
Before I invite the author himself,